Hello, if you wonder if the Galaxy S25 Ultra does come with earphones, let me quickly show you. Let's open up the box. And right here is the place for our phone, so let's put this one aside. And on the top of the box we have the box with accessories. So let's take this one. This one I will put aside again. And right here we have the box with accessories. So let's open this one up. And you can open it right here on the bottom. And let's take this one out. Like this. And what do we have here? As you can see, we have the quick start guide for this phone. We have the warranty card and some other papers right here, and we have the Type-C charging cable, both-sided Type-C, and actually there is nothing more except of the pin for the SIM tray, as you can see, but there is nothing more inside this accessory box. So that means that the Galaxy S25 Ultra doesn't come with the earphones. Thank you for watching.